Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is 18290 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring and using skip ahead. A couple of new features or a couple of changes to this build as well. Just a warning, Microsoft say as well, you make sure you're on this latest build because some of the older builds will expire, so just make sure you're on this build before December the 14th or you'll have issues with the older builds. Okay, so what's new in this build? Well, Microsoft say that there is a new power menu. I can show you there. If I select power, I get these options here. So, yeah, a bit of menu design, and there you can see it pops out like that, and then you go in there and you see the power settings. Another new feature is here in date and time. There's a sync now, which is quite handy. I've had it a couple of times where the clock's not been synced even though it's been set time automatically. For whatever reason, it's just been out of sync. Some of the tablets have had that way. They kind of run out of battery and everything, and you just do sync now and it just sets the time. Or it gives you an error like that, but it should work. If you're on a domain joined machine, like which word, it won't work, but it would work for non-domain joined machines. Another change introduced in 18252 is this microphone icon to show that your microphone is being used, and now if you hover over it, it shows which application is using it. So you can see my recorder there is using it. So Cortana's been changed slightly. They've updated the first page in Cortana, and then you see you've got these tabbed interfaces. So keep changing the UI. This has now got the light theme support on it as well. And another thing they've changed, which you can't see at the moment, is if there was a pending reboot for an update, you'd see an orange icon down here to show you that. And of course, this is running in the light mode, which was introduced in the previous video, and the previous build, which showed in the previous video. So there's quite a few fixes and things. They fixed some issues with PDFs not opening. They fixed some mouse wheel issues with UWP apps. And they've fixed the amount of times these icons redraw as well. But there are some known issues. Some hyperlink colours need to be refined in dark mode and sticky notes. The settings page may crash after changing your account pin. That's been in there a while, I think, that one. And there's a block in place for some PCs that use the Nuvotron TPM chips. So go on the Windows blog, I'll include a link along with the video on thedigitallife.com that has all the list of these issues as well. There's a bug bash coming up soon, the 11th of January to 20th of January, so what will happen is I guess to get a couple more builds out before then, and then that'll be the one that gets used for the bug bash. So overall, those are the changes. Like I said, light mode was introduced in the previous build, and I do like this light mode. I've stuck to using that, so it's a nice refinement to the UI. So thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedigitallife.com. ISDixon on Twitter.